The third learning objective in section A3.1 is to solve linear equations and formulas. Here's an example. Solve for x. 4x minus 5 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute that 3 over the quantity x plus 1. So for right now, nothing's going to happen on the left side, so let me just rewrite 4x minus 5. And now 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 1 is 3. Next, I want to combine like terms. I want to get those x terms together. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Remember, you have to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. 4x minus 3x is just 1x minus 5 equals the 3x minus 3x cancel, and so I'm left with just 3 on the right-hand side. And now I'll get those constant terms together by adding 5 to both sides. And so I'm left with just x on the left, which is what I want, equals 3 plus 5 is 8. So there's my solution to my linear equation, x equals 8. Here's another example with a formula. The formula for the z-score is z equals x minus, that's a Greek symbol mu, divided by the Greek letter sigma. We're going to solve for x when z equals 1.8, mu equals 20, and sigma equals 3. So let's plug in what they gave us. Z equals 1.8, that goes on the left-hand side. X is what we need to solve for, so I need to keep that in there. Minus mu, they told us, is 20, divided by sigma is 3. So let's get rid of that fraction first. I'm going to multiply both sides times 3. I have a GeoGebra window open up over here. Let me widen it a little bit so that we can use it. I just need to multiply 3 times 1.8. So I'll open up the keyboard. Better slide it over a little bit more. I'm going to do 3 times 1.8. And that gives me 5.4. Okay, so I have 5.4 on the left-hand side equals x minus 20. And now I'm just going to add 20 to both sides. And I have x equals 25.4. There's my solution.